Unang-una, the presidency of 2022 was mine already. Na nanalo na ako sa surveys, lahat ng tao solid na, united na for my candidacy. Pero I gave it away because I felt I had to do some other things other than being President of the Republic of the Philippines. Pangalawa, hindi ako yung nagsabi sa kanila na magbukas sila ng investigation or inquiry in aid of legislation that is more like a political persecution and harassment of OVP personnel. So, wag nila akong i-gaslight into saying na ako ang dahilan ng kaguluhan na ito. Ang kaguluhan na ito ay nagsimula sa sa terrorism nila, sa harassment nila, sa threats nila sa mga personnel ng Office of the Vice President.